What is the volume of a sample of ethanol, which is C2H5OH, that contains 1.584 times 10 to the 26 hydrogen atoms? And we're given the density of the ethanol, which we can turn into a conversion factor. 0.7865 grams of C2H5OH is equal to 1 cubic centimeter of ethanol. We also need to identify the relationship between ethanol and hydrogen atoms, since we're given the amount of hydrogen atoms. So 1 mole of ethanol is equal to how many moles of hydrogen atoms? There are 5 plus 1 is 6 atoms of hydrogen in the formula, so there are 6 moles of hydrogen. Now we can take the given amount, which is 1.584 times 10 to the 26 hydrogen atoms, put it over 1, and we're going to bring down atoms of hydrogen and use Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, which is equal to 1 mole of hydrogen. Now we can use our mole-to-mole ratio. Moles of hydrogen, there are 6 moles of hydrogen equal to 1 mole of ethanol. We're going to need to get from moles to grams so that we can then use this density in order to get the volume. So 1 mole of ethanol is equal to grams of ethanol, and we find the grams of ethanol by taking 12.01 times 2 plus 1.01 times 6 plus 16. This gives us 46.08 grams of ethanol. And then finally, there are 0.7865 grams of ethanol for every 1 cubic centimeter of volume of ethanol. When we plug this into our calculator, you're going to want to use parentheses, 1.584 times 10 to the 26, close parenthesis, divided by open parenthesis, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, close parenthesis, divided by 6 times 46.08, divided by 0.7865. This gives us 2,568 cubic centimeters of ethanol, which is letter